Noise pollution is a silent threat that looms amongst us as a result of urbanization. Ironically, this silent threat turns out to be pretty loud, and its detrimental effects are often underestimated. The noise in question here is predominantly consisting of transportation noise from aircraft, trains, and road traffic. Have you experienced a moment where you were drowned out by such noises and wished that you could turn it down with a twist of a knob? You might be wondering, what's the big deal? Well, according to a WHO study, at least a third of people living in Europe experience unhealthy levels of noise, levels that may induce stress, deprive them of sleep, and may even trigger heart attacks. There are two methods to counter this problem. Firstly, passively by means of blocking, absorbing, or deflecting the noise waves, as seen in the form of noise barriers that blocks traffic noise from disturbing residents living along highways. In a cities dominated by high-rise architecture, such passive approaches have seen limited success, as noise can creep over the top of the barriers and affect residents staying in the upper floors of high-rise buildings. Thus, with passive methods facing limitations such as land scarcity in dense cityscapes, deployment costs which may incur an upward cost of $500,000 per kilometer, and aesthetic concerns, the attention has gradually turned to the second approach that utilizes an active method to counter noise pollution. Also known as active noise control or active noise cancellation, ANC works by neutralizing noise by producing an exact opposite of the noise wave. In order for ANC to be effective, one of the requirements is for the size of the opposing wave to be same as the size of the noise source. Thus, ANC has only found commercial success in headphones and in luxury cars. Faced with a challenge of such enormous magnitude, I believe ANC can still be effective by controlling noise at a point where it commonly enters a home, the window. My PhD will firstly look into the physics of how noise propagates into various window configurations, and then to optimize the placement of speakers and sensors that will generate the opposing noise, while at the same time minimizing its impact on the ventilation properties of the window. I hope that by the end of my PhD, we are able to put a volume control on the window to turn down the noise that's coming in, instead of having to turn up the volume of the TV set. Thank you.